Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread low-calorie. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and mash 3 ripe bananas, then mix with yogurt, egg whites, and oat flour for a lighter batter. Fold in cinnamon, a touch of vanilla, and chopped walnuts if desired. Spoon into a loaf pan lined with parchment and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. Let cool before slicing and serving warm. Start by choosing swaps that keep flavor but lower calories, like Greek yogurt for butter and oat flour for white flour. Use egg whites or 1 whole egg plus extra whites to reduce fat while keeping structure. Sweeten with mashed banana and a small amount of honey or stevia, and add cinnamon and vanilla for depth. Stir gently to avoid overmixing, then bake until set and golden for a moist low-calorie loaf. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help me make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle. It seals tight and keeps water cold while you bake or walk to the store. I find it handy for sipping between steps, and it cleans easily. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your technique simple and steady for the best low-calorie banana bread results. Mix wet and dry ingredients until just combined to avoid a dense loaf, and fold in any add-ins like walnuts or dark chocolate chips sparingly. Bake in the center of the oven and rotate the pan if your oven heats unevenly. Allow the bread to cool fully before slicing so it firms up and maintains moisture without collapsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.